Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at exporting your print job as a Crystal Report or RPT file. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll go back into the program here. Now, in order to export a report, we obviously first need to have something to export to. So I'm going to simply just go over here to the file open, or we just go here open file. I'm going to open a project that we were busy with previously. And then there we go. Now once this is loaded, we're going to go to print. And then I'll just fill in some random details. am.co.za. This is the client, and the client description is just make this test description. It's okay. And then we load the actual print report. Now we've already covered most of the sample. What does it do? So now we're going to be looking at some other features from the report that we can do. So if I zoom in here on the first thing we've got here, if we hover, we can see it says export report. So I'm going to click that, wait for it to load, and then what you want to do is locate to where you want to go to, and then the save as type. You will notice we've got a few different file types we can save the report as. Some of it you might be familiar with, some maybe not. So the first one on our list here is the Crystal Report or .rpt. So I'm just going to call this RPT. And then, yeah, the Crystal Reports, this is kind of like the RPT normally stands for report. And sometimes it's associated with the actual Crystal Reports, as you can see in this case. Other times it's also with a SAP Crystal Report. And yeah, it pretty much saves information regarding your current reports over here. And yeah, it's got it can hold quite a variety of different properties in that, which is great. And if you're working in the scene, and this one is also, it's been around a while, but yeah, there's a debate which ones are better to use. If you're going to be sending it to a client that doesn't understand much, or maybe a company that has to get you all the supplies, then I would not recommend the RTP or RPT, sorry, because it's a bit more of an advanced format. It's not as universal as some of the other ones. But then yeah, after you've named your file and saved it by the location, you want to go save here. It's going to load and it'll tell you export completed. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the RPT file. Like I mentioned, it's a bit more exclusive in many ways, where not everybody knows how to use it, but it is quite an industry standard when it comes to these type of projects. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.